All right, last stop before Branson. I'm at Southside Antiques. I think I'm in Joplin, Oklahoma. I have just under an hour to shop. My hair is crazy. It totally reflects my energy. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh, this place looks awesome. These are super cute. They're a little too large for me to want to ship them, honestly. Looks like I picked a good one. I hope I'm gonna be able to see everything in under an hour. Oh, that's so fun. $1? Wait. Oh, I have like big remorse. I feel like I should have come here first. Look at this. That's so cute. That little recipe book. The graphic on that is awesome. Yeah, a lot of the places I've stopped today have like really high prices. Okay, so the cat towel's 15. Oh my gosh, is this what I think it is? It's Michael Simon. It is $16 for a Michael Simon. Well, I think we're gonna have to get that. Those are really collectible and sell for good money, especially on eBay, even though I don't usually use eBay. Let's take that with us. Wait, look at this. Oh, okay, so some of it's really busted. I don't want to mess with that. I love the little doilies. Oh my gosh, this one's so sweet. I love the lace trim on that. $3.50. Why not? Last stop of the day. Last stop of the day. Time to let my hair down a little, right? Oh my gosh, I'm totally nuts. I can already see this is going to be a chaotic trip. And look at these little Shawnee planners. I think they're Shawnee. The bear, the dog one. That one's so cute. $7.50. Thank you. I will take that. And big sale, 50% off. All right, I'm putting my basket down here. Don't really see anything. Well, I misspoke. I love the Noel plates. I'm not sure how well they do this. Cat planter is pretty awesome. Okay, so it's one of the fake out 50% off booths because that's at 30. So 15. Keep carts out of booths. Cute, cute, cute. Look at the little peas. Those are at $5. Oh my gosh, are these? Oh, those are fun. The little lettuce. Are they lettuce? I feel like just getting totally out of control right now. So I think I'm actually gonna bypass the cases. I'm gonna glance, but I don't wanna look too hard because it looks like the prices here are pretty reasonable and it's super big. That one's 35, that one's 37, 90. Okay, just kidding. But I wanna see as much as I can. Plus, I'm just not in the mood to deal with keys. That's so cute, 65. All right, maybe not this booth. And another one with a crazy sale. Let's see if we can find anything. That's kind of cool. $9, 40% off. Oh, it's got some serious damage on it, just kidding. The candy, oh my gosh, that's awesome. Those are really hard to find. If it was like a different object other than a train with red candy, I would probably get that, honestly. These little houses. Wait, is it? Oh, okay, so it's each. Oh, I love him. McCoy. Is that McCoy? No, that's not McCoy. I don't know where I got that. Oh my gosh, look at these little bird miniature cup and saucers. Oh, $70. Wait a minute. Hold on. What's the math on that? Okay, so it actually is a little steep for resale. I'm seeing a lot of stuff in their case, but it looks like their cases are where they put the stuff they didn't want to discount, so they kind of marked it up so it would be a fair retail price. Those ones aren't the same. Whoa! What's going on in here? Oh, I wish I had more time here. I love this pig bank. He's great. $10, no discount though. Not that that's unfair. Again, it's one of those things where if it was for me, it would be, ooh, No cases, no cases. Oh my gosh, but those salt and pepper shakers, those are at 14. Those are awesome. And what's happening here? Hand painted. I wonder if that's Russian. That's really pretty. $4. I feel like I got $4 for that. I like the shape of that. Whoa. 35 each, I guess. Wait, that's so funny. Nobody likes a smart ass. $12. That's a little steep for me. These are really neat. Just realized this case is completely open from the back, so I am gonna go around and take a look. Make sure I'm not missing anything too epic. Actually, I'm kind of second guessing that little box. I know it's like a good price, but let me look at it again. I don't see any signature on it. It's making me a little nervous. Marigold. I love the cat frame, even though it's contemporary. I finally made it to the end, at least. There's so many aisles here. Oh my gosh, wait, this clown cookie jar, that looks like it might even be Italian. Let's see, does it say? Yeah, that looks Italian. 21. Oop, I'm out of focus. Sorry, guys. I don't really want to mess with that right now. Well, this booth definitely has my attention. These are kind of awesome, aren't they? And they're $10 each. I know I said I was going to stay away from cases. $12 on that one. That flashing light is terrible. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh, that's so bad. Let's get away from that. 18 on the strawberries. A lot of newer stuff. What's this paperweight? It's got a chip too, and it's new. It's glass. I thought it was lucite from afar. So there's a lot of stuff in here, but I'm not seeing much that's like really calling out my name so far. Although I just remembered how big this place was. What is this little thing? Oh my gosh, that's amazing. How cute. $3. Sold. What about this one? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I'm gonna take both of those. Anything else? Oh my gosh, the little... Mary had a little lamb. $5. So cute. Sold. What's this one? It's the boy. Oh, it's for the pair. Score. And this little planter. Now I'm checking like everything because the prices are so good. That one's a $5. Totally fair. Cherries or apples. It says. This guy's jumping rope. $6. That's fabulous. And the flowers are all there. What? That never happens. Can it be? $10. Yes. These are so cool. I've never seen this version before. Definitely gonna get that. I love the design on that, and it's in such good condition. If you do find this Lego Japan stuff, it's usually pretty beat. 10. And what about the little? Oh, that's a 29. Just kidding. And hello. Oh my gosh, it's even got its guitar. I've never seen one with a guitar. That's so fabulous. Wait, what is this? The moon and stars? And it's 20% off? That's kind of cool. I'm gonna grab that. And now that I realize it's 20% off, the Jolly Faces. I know, I'm like neglecting that guy. This is so cool. 1912. Well, I'm gonna grab him for $8. Yeah, everything is 20% off. Yeah, I definitely wish I had more time here because everything is packed full of epicness. And yeah, there's some collector's prices, but for the most, it's super cheap, honestly. Look at this. Oh my gosh, how cute. I just have to know for my own peace of mind. display only. Okay, just kidding. Look at this epic shirt. Well, at this point, I'm kind of glad that there's as many cases as they are, because I'd probably go broke and run out of space here. I've been bypassing some really amazing stuff in the cases. This is so cute. $8. It's been a while since I had one of these. It's a really good price, but I'm gonna pass. It would help if I remembered my basket.